Hey guys, I'm Tana and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm sharing with you guys an artificial or fake nails haul. So recently I bought fake nails from Amazon and I was looking out for really good press-on nails or artificial nails or fake nails, whatever you wanna call it, from a really long time. But जो brands उनको sell करते हैं, the price of them are really high, like around 1500, 1200, 1900, 2000. बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइस के थे. बट आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू इन्वेस्ट इन टू फेक नेल्स. लाइक इतना नहीं इन्वेस्ट करना था मुझे. आई रियली वॉन्ट टू फर्स्टली ट्राई समथिंग अंडर माई बजट. लाइक पहले कुछ ट्राई करना है तो सबसे पहले लोएस्ट प्राइस का खरीदते हैं, एंड देन इफ आई लाइक इट एंड लाइक यूजिंग द आर्टिफिशियल नेल्स, देन वी कैन upgrade them or buy the higher brands artificial nails. So I really want to try the cheapest one, and I went to Amazon because Amazon have everything which you need. So I searched artificial or fake nails or pressed on nails on Amazon and there were a lot of options. Okay, बहुत सारे options थे under the budget, like under 500 rupees, and I really wanted to try something under 500 rupees because आप उनको 4 से 5 बार यूज कर सकते हो. After that थोड़े ripped off हो जाते हैं. So I really don't want to invest more than 500 rupees on artificial nails this time. So I bought 5 pairs of pressed on nails from Amazon and they are of really good quality. Okay, actually they all are under 400 rupees, तो सब कुछ under the budget ही है. And yeah, now let me just show you one by one what all I bought under 400 rupees. So the first pair of nail set which I bought from Amazon are these one. These are the 24 pieces French nail set and they are in the color green tea and they are supremely fancy nail set. So this is how this nail set looks and it looks supremely nice. इसके अंदर दो कलर की combination है. One is the green tea and the other one is the pink one. And it looks supremely nice. काफी long nails है. I really have to cut them. And yeah, this is how they look and they look supremely nice and cute and काफी chic look दे रहे हैं. And they also have studs, like ring finger के nail पे they also have studs. And जो ये pink और green की combination का nail है, इसके अंदर ये golden line भी है, so it looks really nice. और ये 24 nails का set है, so जो भी आपको fit आए आपकी finger में, just use all those nails. And इसके साथ आपको nail glue मिलती है, as you can see कि इसके अंदर nail glue भी है. So as you can see कि मैंने nails नहीं लगाया कोई भी artificial nails और मैंने nail paint भी नहीं लगाई हुई है because I really want to try them out. And yeah, firstly let's just try this green tea one onto my one finger. So now let me just also share with you how to properly apply artificial or fake nails. जो भी ये pressed on nails होते हैं उनको लगाने का एक अलग method होता है. So firstly you just have to clean your nails and clean your hands, and if you have any nail paint on then उसको भी अच्छे से remove कर दीजिए. Now we have to buff our nails, and वैसे तो you also have to cut your nails. Like आपके nails बड़े नहीं होने चाहिए, but मेरे nails बहुत ही मुश्किल से थोड़े से बड़े हुए हैं and I really don't want to cut them. So I'm just applying these artificial nails onto my nails only. I'm not trimming them down. I'm just buffing them out so that there is a plain surface to apply these nails. And to buff my nails, I'm using this mini nail buffer जो कि इन्हीं sets में से एक के साथ आया हुआ है. So you just have to buff your nail a bit so that it's a plain surface. ज़्यादा buff मत कीजिए because then your nails will be really thin and you really don't want that. So just buff it a bit so that एक plain surface हो जाए और एक rough surface हो जाए जिसके ऊपर nails अच्छे से चिपक सके. So I just lightly buffed this nail out. Now the third step is to remove all the dead skin around your cuticle area. And for that I'm using this stick जो कि इन्हीं nail set में से एक के साथ आई है. But if you don't have this stick, then you can also use the cuticle trimmer or the cuticle pusher. उसके साथ भी आपको यही shape मिलती है. So I'm just pushing my cuticles back and also removing all the dead skin around my nail cuticle. And then we just have to figure out कि कौन सा nail इसके ऊपर fit बैठ रहा है. This one is too huge. I think this one will fit. Yeah, it's fitting perfectly. And you can also trim these artificial nails down so that it can fit you perfectly and buff these nails around the edges. यहाँ से भी आप buff कर सकते हो अगर आपको थोड़ा सा बड़ा है तो, so that it fits your nail perfectly. Now the next step is to apply these nails, and for that you can use a nail glue or the nail stickers. Like these are the nail glue stickers. इनको आपको nails पर apply करना होता है and then you have to apply your artificial nail onto it. And now the second method to apply these artificial nails is by using a nail glue. So ये glue इसके साथ ही आई है, so you can also use these glues. And if this glue is not powerful enough to hold these nails, then I have this nail glue recommendation. It's from Miss Claire and I really love this nail glue. So you can also use this Miss Claire nail glue if you don't like the nail glue which comes with the artificial nails. And for today I'm just going to use these nail stickers क्योंकि ये काफी convenient होते हैं use करने में and it's easier to apply. So firstly I'm just taking out this one nail sticker and उसको मैं अपने nail पर अच्छे से apply करूँगी. And now after applying this nail sticker, आप उसके ऊपर के plastic के part को remove कर दीजिए. And now we'll apply this artificial nail. Now after applying it, just press it hardly so that it sticks properly. And yeah, done. That's it. It's really easy to apply artificial nails onto your nails and it looks really nice. It's giving me that Cardi B vibe क्योंकि काफी लंबे nails हैं and Cardi B used to apply really long nails, but I really like it. And yeah, थोड़े लंबे nails according to my liking, but if you really like this much long nails, then this nail set is a really good set. I really recommend this nail set. It's a very beautiful set. Iska color combination bhi I really love and it retails for only $359, which is a very good price for such beautiful nail set. Or 24 nails hai, so you can apply it onto your both hands and just look out for the nails which fits your nail perfectly. So yeah, this is how this nail set looks. And yeah, with that the first nail set is done. Now let's just move on to the second nail set. Now the second nail set which I have is this one. This is the 24-piece French tip nail set in the variant butterfly diamond. So this nail set have bows as well as the studs like the diamonds and ye French tip nails hain. So I really love this one as well. So wait, let me show you how it looks. So इस nail set के साथ भी आपको glue मिलती है as you can see and this is how it looks. ये French tip nails है, इसके अंदर ये bow लगी हुई है. It also have this stud or diamond stud detailing which I really like. काफी classy look ये nail set दे रहा है and yeah, this is a very beautiful nail set I would say. इसके अंदर ये diamond की detailing तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रही है. I really love how it looks and the bow also looks really chic and really pretty. And ऊपर ये French tip है, so it also looks really classy. So yeah, now let me just show you how it looks onto my nail. So firstly, I'm just going to find out what size will fit me. So yeah, this one is fitting perfectly. So I'm just going to apply this bow one. So I'm just applying this nail and pressing it hardly so that it sticks properly. And yeah, that's it. This is how this nail look. I really love this bow detailing onto this nail and I really love how it looks. I really love the design of this one and it's giving that classy vibe. And the price of this one is also really amazing. It retails for only 339 rupees, almost 340 rupees, and in just rupees 340 I think it's a brilliant deal. इसका डिजाइन ही इतना खूबसूरत है. अगर आप अब बाहर किसी नेल सैलून में ऐसे एक्सटेंशन और नेल आर्ट बनवाने जाओगे, it will cost you around 2,000 to 3,000 rupees, but you're getting this type of design in just rupees 340 rupees. And what you can expect, I really love the design of this one. इसके अंदर ये bow वाले nails सिर्फ दो ही हैं. Like I think it's just for your middle finger or the ring finger. But ये diamond stud वाले design इसके अंदर बहुत सारे हैं. Like ये दो तो हैं ही. And इसके अंदर भी diamond stud वाले designs बहुत सारे हैं. So you can apply these stud nails onto any nail of your finger. And इस set के अंदर आपको French tip भी मिल जाती है. You're also getting a bow design and also you're getting a diamond stud design. So 3 बहुत ही सुंदर डिजाइन आपको एक ही नेल सेट के अंदर मिल जाते हैं और वो भी सिर्फ 339 रुपीज के अंदर. So I think it's a brilliant deal. You should definitely get this nail set if you really love all these 3 designs. So I would highly recommend this nail set also. So now the third nail set which I'm going to show you is this one. This is the French tip nail set और इसके अंदर छोटे छोटे studs लगे हुए हैं, like diamond studs लगे हुए हैं. And ये वाला nail set काफी natural vibe दे रहा है. It looks like कि आपके natural nails ही ऐसे हैं because ये थोड़े बहुत transparent हैं and they also have a very beautiful French tip going on and as well as they also have a very pretty diamond stud onto it. So it looks really cute and really stylish and supremely natural I would say. And इस वाले nail set के साथ आपको ये 2 नेल स्टिकर मिल जाते हैं, एज वेल एज यू आर गेटिंग दिस क्यूटिकल पुशर, एंड विद दिस नेल सेट यू आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग दिस नेल बफर. सो इस वाले नेल सेट के साथ आपको सब कुछ मिल जाता है विच यू नीड टू अप्लाई आर्टिफिशियल नेल. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू अप्लाई 1 nail from this nail set onto my ring finger. So yeah, this is how this nail look, and yeah, ये काफी छोटू nail लग रहा है in front of these 2 long nails. But if you are a person who loves natural kind of artificial nails, then this one is a perfect fit for you. ये काफी natural look दे रहा है, plus it gives that classy look as well. काफी stylish भी है, like it has that French tip detailing as well as a single diamond stud detailing as well. So yeah, it's really looking nice as well as giving you that natural kind of look, as well as it's also, you know, making a natural look a bit classy. So yeah, I really love this one as well. So all these nails have 12 different kinds of sizes, and you can just find the perfect size for your nail bud. And the price of this nail set is amazing. Like ये सबसे cheapest nail set है इन पांचों में. This one retails for just ₹299, almost 300 rupees. And for just ₹300, you will not find anything like this. It's a very beautiful nail set जो कि natural look देता है. It also has a French tip, it also has a Swarovski, and it also has that natural pink tint into it. So it's really giving you that classy, stylish as well as a natural look. So now the fourth nail set which I have is this one. This is the pink cloud nail set. ये भी 12 kinds of sizes में है, like 24 nails हैं इसके अंदर, और इसके अंदर ये क्लाउड डिटेलिंग हो रखी है पिंक और वाइट कलर में, एंड इट ऑल्सो हैज दैट Swarovski onto it, like diamond studs on है इसके अंदर, which looks really cute and really chic. So I'm just going to show you how it looks from inside. So this nail set comes with a nail glue. So this nail set have 3 different kinds of design. कुछ nails के अंदर ये ऐसा cloud detailing बना हुआ है, and also has studs onto it, like Swarovski onto it. The second kind of design is this one, जो कि white और pink के gradient effect में है, like यहाँ पे gradient effect है इसके अंदर. So second one is this one, and the third one is the plain cloud one, like इसके ऊपर बस Swarovski नहीं लगा हुआ. Like these are the plain cloud nails, but all of them are looking supremely beautiful. I really love this one as well. So if you really like pink color and you really love clouds, then this one is the perfect nail set for you. So now let me just show you how it looks onto my nail. So yeah, this is how this nail looks. So I really love how this nail design look. इसके अंदर एक cloud detailing है, as well as it also has this Swarovski onto it, which looks supremely cute, supremely nice, and supremely stylish. So yeah, this is how this nail set look, and the price of this one is also amazing. Like this one retails for just ₹359. Like for just almost ₹360, you are getting a beautiful cloud nails with a Swarovski and with gradient effect as well, and you also get a nail glue with this. So yeah, I think that it's a very good buy, and you should definitely give this one a try. Now the last nail set which I have is this one. So ये वाला nail set मैंने पहले try किया हुआ है, like मैंने कुछ time पहले ये nail set apply करके देखे थे, like how they are. So I really love this nail set as well. तो एक मिस्टेक मैंने इस नेल सेट को अप्लाई करते वक्त करी थी, वो थी कि मैंने नेल पेंट लगाई हुई थी एंड मैंने उसके ऊपर ये नेल सेट ट्राई करके देख लिया था, एंड दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक आई हैव डन व्हाइल अप्लाइंग दीज नेल्स, बिकॉज नेल ग्लू के साथ वो नेल पेंट चिपकी रह गई, एंड वो नेल पेंट अब इन नेल्स के बॉटम पे लगी हुई है, एंड इट्स रियली हार्ड टू रिमूव. सो नेवर एवर अप्लाई एनी आर्टिफिशियल नेल ऑन योर नेल्स if you have any nail paint on. So firstly just remove your nail paint and then apply the artificial nails so you can use them for a really long time. And yeah, apart from it, these nails are supremely beautiful and supremely nice. So इस वाले नेल सेट के साथ आपको ये किट मिलती है. इसके अंदर ये नेल फाइलर है, ये क्यूटिकल पुशर है, as well as you also get the nail stickers, और एक ये आर्टिफिशियल रिमूवर पैड भी है. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू यूज दिस पैड और यूज दिस क्लेंजर व्हाइल रिमूविंग दीज आर्टिफिशियल नेल्स. सो या दिस इज हाउ दिस नेल सेट लुक्स. ये भी वही 24 नेल सेट है. इसके अंदर भी 12 kinds of sizes of nails, and yeah, it's a very beautiful nail set I would say. ये भी French tip design है with sparkle detailing onto it, और इसके अंदर डबल लाइन बनी हुई है, and एक लाइन स्पार्कल किया है which looks supremely chic. And the best part about these nails कि इनका size बिल्कुल perfect है according to my liking. Like perfect length है इनका, so you really don't have to trim them down or buff them out. And it's also in a very beautiful color, like that nudish color, which I personally really like. So if you really like those nude nail paints or the subtle nail paints, then you would definitely love this nail set. आजकल ये nude color काफी in है in the nail paints as well. So yeah, I really love this nail set as well. So I'm just going to apply this nail onto my thumb. So yeah, this is how this nail look. I've just applied it onto my thumbnail, and yeah, this is how it looks. I really love the design of this one, as I've told you कि मैंने पहले use किया हुआ है, and I used to really like it. इसकी length बिल्कुल perfect है, like neither too long nor too short, like the perfect length an artificial nail should have. This nail set have that, and I really love this thing about it. So I really love how this nail set looks and how it fits my nails perfectly. And the price of this nail set is rupees 369, like almost 370 rupees. And in 370 rupees you are getting such beautiful set of nails. और उसके साथ आपको nail buffer भी मिलता है, cuticle pusher भी मिलता है. You also get nail stickers as well as the remover pad as well. So yeah, it's a very good package. It's a very good deal. And in 370 rupees, I don't think that you will find this much beautiful nail set. So yeah, this is how all these nail sets looks. I really love the designs of all these nail sets, and the price of these ones are also brilliant. ये पांचों nail sets काफी सुंदर थे, काफी beautiful थे, सबके different design है और काफी different concept है सबका. So yeah, these are the nail sets which I bought from Amazon, and I really love all of them. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. All these nail sets were under the budget of rupees 400. So if you really want to try nails for the first time, like the artificial nails for the first time, and you don't want to spend more than 400 or 500 rupees, then you should definitely buy these nails because they are under the budget. काफ़ी अच्छी क्वालिटी भी है, and you also get the nail glue or the nail sticker along with these nails as well. So आपको extra कुछ भी purchase नहीं करना है. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.